When you qualify for Pennsylvania tax forgiveness, you can also apply for a Philadelphia wage tax refund. The average taxpayer who receives this refund will get about $275 back in their pockets. This video shows you how to apply for an income-based wage tax refund online and step by step. Before you can start, you must first complete a Pennsylvania PA 40 personal income tax return, as well as a PA Schedule SP. You qualify for this Pennsylvania program based on your income. You can check income guidelines and file online for free at mypath.pa.gov. To receive a Philadelphia refund, you must provide a copy of your completed Pennsylvania Schedule SP. You must also provide a copy of every W-2 received from an employer for work you did last year. If you don't provide these documents, your refund request will be rejected. Please make sure you can upload copies of these forms before you start your Philadelphia refund request. Once your Pennsylvania and W-2 forms are ready, go to phila.gov/revenue/income-refund. Check the I agree to terms and conditions box. Please note you must scroll to the end of the terms of use text to check the agreement box. Then select Next. Under Employee Name, type your first name, then your last name. Under Social Security Number, type your 9-digit Social Security number. All the information you provide must be 100% accurate to receive your refund. Under Email, type your email. Under Phone Number, type your phone number, including the area code. Under the question, Are you a resident of Philadelphia? Select Yes or No. Both residents and non-residents qualify for this income-based wage tax refund. Please provide accurate information. Under Home Address, type your address. Note that your street address, city, state, and zip code go in different fields. You must then re-enter your home address again. Select Next. Under Filing Status, select either Single, Separated, Deceased, or Married, Filing Separately. Under Number of Dependents, enter the number of dependents you claimed on your Pennsylvania form. Under Total Eligibility Income, type the highest compensation on your W-2s. Next, upload your PA Schedule SP40 by selecting Browse Files. To upload, your Schedule SP must be saved as an electronic document on your device. Find the document on your device and select Open. Under Number of W-2s Attached, type the number of W-2s you received for work you did last year. If you have more than 4 W-2s, you must complete a separate application for your remaining W-2s, but you should complete this one with the first 4 W-2s. Upload your W-2s by selecting Browse Files. To upload, your W-2 must be saved as an electronic document on your device. Find the document on your device and select Open. Select Next. Under Employer Details, type your employer's identification number or EIN. You can find this information in Box B of your W-2 form. For field number 1, type your wages for the first half of the year. If you do not know the exact dollar amount, use the highest compensation on your W-2. Find that amount and divide by 2. The online form calculates field number 2 automatically. For field 3, type your wages for the second half of the year. If you do not know the exact dollar amount, use the highest compensation on your W-2. Find that amount and divide it by 2. The online form calculates field number 4 and 5 automatically. For field 6, type the wage tax your employer withheld. This is the amount in box 19 of your W-2 form. The online form calculates field number 7 automatically. The form also shows your refund amount, or tells you that no refund is available. If we do owe you a refund, you can select Next. Under Who prepared the submission, select This was not prepared by the taxpayer or the person filing. Once you've selected one of those two options, a signature box appears. Write your signature. The form asks you to enter your address one last time. Then select Submit. A check mark and the words "Thank you" mean you completed the online form. We will use the phone and email you provided to contact you if we have any questions. You now know how to complete an online income-based wage tax refund form. If you prefer to use a paper form, you can download one at phila.gov/documents/2020-wage-tax-refunds. If you have questions about wage tax refunds, please email refund.unit@phila.gov, or you can call 215-686-6574. Thank you for watching this video.